Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Be My Multiple, I'll Be Your Factor, from Math Magic NCERT. Okay, so the session which we are going to do today is very interesting. I hope you people will enjoy it, you people will like it. The topic which we are going to do today is very interesting, as because we have dealt with the topic called factor and multiple in a previous class also, that is in maths tape. We have started a new chapter, that is factor and multiple, right? So the concept of factor and multiple is clear to you all, so I'm not going through that, but using that concept we will be solving the problem here. Okay, so this question here is based on the storytelling. Okay, you people have a fun with this, I hope. So let us read this story here. The hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan the mouse. This is a hungry cat here, and this is a mouse. The name of this mouse is Kunjan. Okay, Kunjan is now on the 14th step. So you can see this all 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers till 29 is the steps. That is steps, right? So Kunjan is on 14th step, and it can jump 2 steps at a time. That means from 14 she can now reach to 16. When she jump, one jump will be of 2 steps in addition of 2 steps. Okay, so after one jump from 14 she will be in Kunjan will be in 16th step. That means he is jumping how much step? Two steps at a time. The cat is on the 3rd step. Now cat, you can see, is in 3rd step. Now cat she can jump 3 steps at a time. So that means now she is in 3 steps. So when she jump, she will be in 9th steps, because she is jumping, not in 9th step, she will be in 6th step. Okay, because she is jumping how many steps? 3 jump she is taking, right? So she can jump 3 steps at a time. So if the mouse reaches 28, so if mouse reaches this 28 label, 28 point or steps, it can hide in hole. So when she reaches 28, she can hide into this hole. This is a hole given here, hole in which mouse usually used to hide, right? So find out whether the mouse can get away safely or not. So we have to find, our main ultimate job is to find whether this mouse can be safe at the end or not. All right, so let us start doing the steps on which the mouse jumps. So now the first question which is given here is the steps on which the mouse jumps. So at first she is in 14. Kunjan is in 14 step. So when she jump first step, she will be in 16 steps, right? Because she is jumping how many steps at one time? She is jumping 2 steps one at a time, right? So she will be in, first of all she was in 14 step, then after it will be 16, then she will be in 18, then wait for a while, 18, then she will be in 20, because after 18 if you plus it 2 step you'll be getting 20. Then after 20 she will be in 22 step. Then after 22 she will be in 24 step. After 24 it will be 26, she will be in 26, then she will be in 28 finally, right? So what are the number of steps she will be touching? That is the mouse will be touching, as she was in 14, then 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Why this number? Why not it is a sequential? Because at one time Kunjan, that is mouse, is taking 2 step. Okay, so she is jumping 2 step one at a time. So do not get confused. I hope you people have understood this. So this is the first question, number A, we are over with. All right, similarly we have the number B here, the steps on which the cat jumps. Now we have found the Kunjan in which steps she was there. What are the number of the steps she touched? Now Kunjan, now cat, the hungry cat. At first she is in 3rd step. Now at one time she is jumping 3 steps. So that means we have to take the table of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. After 6, 3 3s are 9, 9. Then 3 4s are 12. After that, she will be in 12. Then after 12, she will be 15. 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Just see, I'm taking the multiplication. I'm doing the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, you all know. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Then 3 7s are 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 9s are 20, and then there is no 30, so this will be the final step. So the hungry cat will be touching this many step, that is 3 6 9 12 15 18 24 27. Okay students, so I hope you have understood this. So these are the steps which cat is following. Okay, the hungry cat. So that means we are following the multiplication of 3. Here in the first question we are following the multiplication of 2 only, because 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Okay, so this is the concept here. This is the multiple here. Okay, all right, let us now proceed to the part C. The steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. So you can see, you can have a look with the first question. That is, in first question we got that 14 16 18 20 22 24 26 28 are the number. So let me copy this. Okay, if I copy this, I'll be copying over here. All right, so these are the steps jumped by cat. Okay, then let me take the steps of this also. So this was the steps taken by cat, and this was the step taken by the, sorry, opposite I've said, right? This is the mouse and this is for cat. Okay, so now what you have to do is, you have to tell the steps on which both cat and mouse jump. So looking at this number, you can clearly see that 18 18, right? So 18 is the first step in which both the mouse and cat touch. That is, mouse will be in 18 position sometime, and cat can be, and mouse can be also in 18 steps sometime. Okay, it's not like that they will meet at one time, because mouse is very far. So already mouse will touch 18 and then she will run. Also again after that, one after step, cat will come and touch the 18 step. Okay, is there any other step which mouse and cat both are touching? That is 24 is there. Yes, 24, both the steps, that is 18 and 24 are the steps. Okay, both cat and mouse jump on the following step, that is 18 and 24. Okay, so I hope you have understood. No other numbers are there, so this is called the common factor. I hope you remember this. If you remember, you will be able to understand what is this. This is called common factor. Yes, so the common factor which is there in between mouse and cat is 18 and 24. So you are going to write like this: both cat and mouse jump on the following steps, 18 and 24. Okay, so both of them, it doesn't mean that in 18 and 24 they met. It's not like that. It is we are coming to know that from this point, that in 18 also both mouse came at one time, mouse and cat came, and in 24 also mouse and cat, both of them touch this step. It is not like that they met on this step. Okay, most of the students get confused with that, so do not get that confusion. Okay, all right, now proceeding to the part D. Can the mouse get away? All right, can the mouse get away? So did you find anywhere that mouse is running late or cat is very fast. No, it was not like that. Yes, so you easily saw that not in every step, not any of the step did cat met with the mouse. So yes, mouse was successful to get away from the cat. So you saw in the first slide, that first part, that in 14, 16, 28 these steps the mouse traveled, and this step was traveled by the cat. So they are not meeting at any step, that is, they are not meeting at any step. So yes, we can write, yes, mouse was successful to get away, because mouse was very far, and in any step they didn't meet. Okay, they touched that step but they didn't meet at any step. So mouse was successful to get away. All right, students, so I hope you have understood this. Now in the same page you are going to find the second story, that is question number 2, find out. Okay, the story is going to change now. That's why you can see here there is no cat, no mouse here, right? So the place is going to change, the steps are going to change, so you'll find different story here. You'll again enjoy this. Just have a look with this. Okay, if the cat start from 5th step, now the cat is in which position? Cat is in 5th position here, over here in 5th position. So let me mark it over here. This is for cat. The red mark will be represented by cat. Okay, now 5 steps, 5th step, and jump 5 step at a time. Now cat is not taking 3 step, cat is taking 5 step one at a time. So if cat is in 5th position at first time, then after one jump cat will be at 10th position, isn't it? Because cat is taking 5 step. Now after 10 cat will be at 15th position. After 15 cat will be in 20th position. After 20 cat will be in 25th position, right? After there is no other position, so this is the final position of the cat. So this is the position, these are the steps which cat is going to travel. Now the scenario is changed as mentioned. Next, 5 step at a time, and the mouse start at 8th step. Now the mouse is starting from 8th step, not from 14th step. Okay, so now mouse is over here. So this is for mouse. So let me mark it blue with mouse. So mouse starts from 8th step and jump 4th step at a time. Okay, from 8, if mouse has to jump, now mouse will be at 12th position. Why? Because mouse is taking 4 step jump now. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now after 12 she will be in 16th position. After 16 she will be in 20th position. After 20 again she will be in 24 position, because she is taking 4th step. After 24, 28, then finally on the whole. But the question comes here, can the mouse get away? All right, so in order to find this, so you can easily see in one step they are meeting, in one step they are meeting, that is in 20 they are meeting, right? So in this situation the mouse cannot run away, mouse will be trapped by the cat. So let us write the steps traveled by the steps taken by cat. Earlier mouse was in 3rd position, but now mouse is in 5th position, and earlier mouse was traveling, jumping 3 steps one at a time, but now cat is traveling 5 steps at a time, right? Okay, if I've said wrong, then again I'm repeating. Cat is earlier at the 3rd position, cat was, and it was traveling 3 steps one at a time. But now cat is traveling 5th step. Cat was in 5th step, and now he is traveling 5 step one at a time, right? So if that is the condition, if that is the criteria, then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then no other steps are there, right? So these are the steps which will be taken by the cat: 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now what are the steps that mouse is going to choose. Steps taken by mouse will be, mouse is in, C is in 8th position, and now from 8, if C has to jump one step, then C will be taking 4 step. So 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, then 28. Then after that C will be on the hole. But the question comes, can the mouse get away? Can the mouse get away? So as I have already told, they are meeting at 20. No, in this case, in this time, no, mouse cannot get away. Therefore, so we'll write mouse, or you can write cat trapped the mouse at which step? At 20th step. So, or you can write that also, both of them reach the step 20 after 4 jump, hence, so let me write that only. So that will be more understandable, so I am changing the statement. Okay, both of them reach the step 20 after 4 jump, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So after 4 jump, they are meeting at 20 step. So hence we can write, hence the mouse will not get away. That means mouse is trapped now, right? At what step? At 20th step. At 20th step, the mouse is trapped now. So I hope you have understood this, right? This is very beautiful thing. This is very understandable, logical thing which we have done today. I hope this is understandable. So you practice a lot. You go through, rewind the video wherever you have a doubt. All right. Having any problem, do feel free to share with me. So this much for today. In our next class, we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you, everyone.